guys, this is Curtis at home in the kitchen. I'm finna fix me something this morning for breakfast, and I've done this before, and I'm gonna do it again. What it is, I got some of these Krusteaz, as you can see, these Krusteaz Waffle, this Belgian, yeah, mix. And you know, all it requires is just add some oil and some eggs in here on this. So what it is, I got my waffle iron already. I got it warmed up, but I need to put a little spray on it. Let's take a look. As you can see right here, I got this here, so I'm gonna try some of these. And basically, I always like to take and spray it so that, you know, it doesn't stick or anything. So we just gonna spray them a little bit here to my iron. Get that good and spray. It's already good and warm, so I'm gonna turn it over. Then we're gonna try it on this one here, and there we go. Let's get that, let that soak in there and that get warm there. Flip it back over. Oh yeah, gonna be good. So let that you know, finish warming up. So when I get the waffle mix here all together, then we'll pour that mix in there. Let's see. And these are you know, waffle mix here is easy. I mean, you know, all this is well, add some water, put the waffle mix in, give about a cup of it, and some water, and add an egg in there. So pretty simple here. So what we're gonna do, let's add some water. I already got some water in there, so we're gonna add that in there. And then it says add some oil. So I got some of this extra virgin oil here, so I'm gonna add some of that in there, and that's gonna you know, make it all good. So let me I got the water in the bowl here, so let me get positioned so I can well, put the egg and all that in there. Okay, hold on just a minute here. The egg rolling. So yeah, let me get that. All right, so let's crack this egg, put it in there. All right, so we got the egg, and then we're gonna add some of this, put some of this mix off in here. So I'll put that in there. Get us about let's see, we want to try about a cup of it. So let's add that off in there. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. So we got that. So let's put that in there, and it says about 3 tablespoons of this oil. So we're gonna add a little of that. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so got that in there, and now all we need to do is let's see, we're just gonna take a little fork, right here. We're just gonna take and whisk that all together. Oh yeah, here we go. Whisk it up real good. As you can see, this is the way this is what's coming out here. So want to get it all, stir it up real good. Just wanted to have some of these waffles this morning here for my breakfast. I say, I haven't had any waffles in a while, so it's time to have some waffles here. Okay. And this is real easy to put together for a good breakfast in the morning. It looks like that's all stirred up real good. It's all combined with the egg and the water in there, and extra virgin oil in it. Okay, so this is good. So now let's get ready and pour this here in there. Okay, yeah, we're gonna lift that up, and we're gonna just put that to the side for a little bit, and we're just gonna take and pour this mix into the waffle iron. Pour a little bit there. Yeah, I think that's enough for this one. So then we'll just close that one and say, take and flip it over, and we're gonna try another one over here. Fill it all up, use it all up. Think we got enough. Think we have enough here to get us a good old waffle this morning. All right, so we're gonna let that. We're gonna close it. We're gonna let it turn it over. We're gonna let it finish baking out here, and then we'll have some waffles for breakfast this morning. All right, just give me a minute and I'll be back. See, it's already steaming up. All right, guys, it's about time to get that waffle off of the iron here. Let's take a look at it. Let's see how it's looking here. Oh yeah, I like them to be kind of fluffy like, so didn't cook them too done where they real crispy and hard. So just take a look at it. This here's the way it's looking. See, I didn't cook them too crispy. Oh yeah, like them kind of soft here. So let's take this one off of here. Ooh. It's falling apart. Look at that. It's gonna be great. Yeah, look at that there. Made these here. Oh, it's kind of hot though. Let me see if I can get one of them out of here. I can get that out of there. Yeah, I wanted it. Yeah, I got it out of there, guys. It's falling apart here. It's hot. Ah. Yeah, so that. Want them like this here. I don't want it to be too you know, sometimes you can cook them and dry them out, but I want these here to be real soft. So let's turn it over here and get the other one out. Oh yeah, see, like this one, it's a little bit, had a little bit more in it, but there we go. That's how that's looking. So let's so we got them all here. We're gonna have oh, this is gonna be good. This is soft, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some of this here Mrs. Butterworth syrup on it. Let me open that up, pour some of that on there. It's gonna make it real good here. Just see, just add some of that. Yeah, I just had a taste for some of these, and I said, man, let me fix me some waffles this here morning here. So let that soak in right there. And Yeah, we're gonna have some good waffles with that. Now that ain't gonna just complete my breakfast, guys. I do have something else I'm gonna eat with this breakfast here. Now I'm gonna have something else to go with my waffles. As you can see, this right here, I have some grits. I got me some, maybe fix me some hash browns, fix the egg, and I fix some sausages to go with this. So I didn't want to have to eat my waffles alone. You know how that is. You don't want to eat it alone. You want to eat it with something. So that's what I'm doing. I'm eating this with something. And you can see I'm also going to have me some orange juice with that. So there we go. So that's going to be my breakfast for this morning here. I just had to have something, you know, that I had a taste for. And I had a taste to have some of these here waffles here with my breakfast this morning. So that's what I have prepared here. As you can see these right here. So give me a minute and let me dive in and get busy on trying some of these waffles out this morning. Okay, hold on a minute guys. Let me reposition this camera here. Okay guys, so let's try some of these y'all know what I had, these waffles right here. So we're gonna try some, how they taste there. I wanted them to be fluffy, so I didn't want them to be hard now. Oh yeah, that's good. That is good. Good and soft, fluffy. It absorbs that syrup in there. Oh yeah. That's good. I like these. That's good, guys. You absorb that syrup. You can taste that butter flavor in them. These waffles here, I tell you, man, that is good. These are good. These here are really good. Fixed these up this morning. Man, look at that. Yep. I'm enjoying this. Man, had that taste for it. Now, I also got my other stuff here. I gotta finish up. I gotta eat my breakfast, guys. Gotta eat my breakfast. Eating some of this egg, some of the grits. Come on. Some of these hash browns I'll fix this morning. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Some of these ham sauces. That's good. Give me some of this orange juice. That was good, guys. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna finish up my breakfast here, and I'm gonna finish eating up all of these here waffles that I had a taste for this morning. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. I'll share something else again when I get some more time in the kitchen here. I'm gonna finish this up. Y'all take care. I'm out of here for now. Bye.